Hi guys, this is Mrs. B and welcome to my channel, Umaarteng Penmanship. Okay, today meron tayong bagong tutorial. So this is under turn stroke. So for today's tutorial, I would be using Pentel Fude Touch in black. Alright, so this is a small brush na pwede natin gamitin. If you don't have a calligraphy or brush pen with you, okay lang yon. Pwede tayong gumamit ng pencil, pwede tayong gumamit ng ball pen, or crayons, o kaya watercolor, pwede din yon. If meron kang small brush like this, okay yan. I like small brush. You can also use big brushes like this Tombow dual brush. Ayan. Sa descriptions or kung saan mabibili, kung magkano itong mga to, I will put it dun sa description box. So kung ready ka na, tara na, mag-start na tayo mag-calligraphy. Okay. So, paano ba itong under turn stroke? Kasi last time, if you watch the previous tutorials, meron tayong overturn, tsaka meron tayong upstroke and downstroke. So, ngayon, we will have underturn naman. So, kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung previous videos ko about those two tutorials, I will put the link I will put the link dun sa description box so you could watch it also. Okay, so kung yung overturn natin, kumbaga, kung yung overturn natin is parang N, ganon, diba? Or half nung N. Ang gagawin natin, underturn naman is pabaliktad, parang letter U lang din to. Okay, so I have here my paper. Okay, ano lang to, copan bandang to na hinati ko lang to sa gitna, and I'm using clipboard para hindi gumagalaw yung paper. Ayun. So, let's start. Okay, remember lang kapag mag-practice ka ng calligraphy or before you start writing anything, drills muna tayo. So, ito yung drills number 3 natin. Okay, so paano ba itong underturn stroke? Parang letter U lang din. Okay, so syempre pag letter U, pababa muna. So, thick down stroke. And then, up tayo. Thin upstroke. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Okay, dito, thick, yung pagbaba, and then, paakyat, thin. Okay, ulitin ko Manood ka mabuti, tapos sundan mo ko. Thick, down, tapos pagdating dito, ayun, sa baba, pagdating dito, you can cut it, akyat ka na. Actually, usually, hindi yan pinuputol. But for the sake of makita nyo kung paano ginagawa slowly, I cut it into half. To downstroke at saka thin stroke. So, let's do it one more time. Okay. Ayun. So, thin downstroke and thin upper thin stroke. Okay. Ulitin natin. Ayan. Isa pa. Medyo hindi ko gusto to Isa pa. Okay. So, ngayon, dahan-dahanin natin. Ulitin natin kung saan part tayo nag-start, saan tayo umangat. Okay, so pagdating dito nag-start tayo. So, meron tayong pressure going down. Pagdating dito, dito papasok yung control mo sa kamay mo, going up, dahan-dahan. Okay. Iiwasan lang natin itong mga to. Okay? For example, ayan, okay ka dito, tapos bigla kang nagkaroon ng, parang naging letter V. Okay. Wag yan. O kaya, okay na, pero bigla kang, kumbaga, mislant. Okay. Wag din. Practicein mo pa rin eto. Yan. O sige nga, ikaw nga, try mo. Sabayan mo ko sabay-sabay tayo mag-underturn stroke. Okay. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Alright. Isa pa. Thick, down, up, thin. Okay. Kung medyo nanginginig yung kamay mong, okay lang yan. Masasanay ka din. Isa pa. Yan. Okay. So, practicein mo yan, Okay, ngayon naman, subukan natin na magsulat ng word using underturn stroke. Okay, let's try the word minimum. Okay. So, when we write minimum, okay, remember, when you do calligraphy, hindi to cursive, dahan-dahan. Hindi mo kailangan magmadali. Take time. Have patience. Okay. Minimum. Okay, so letter M. So, dito mag-overturn tayo. Yan. Tapos, overturn ulit. Then, up. Tapos, eto na, papasok na yung underturn. Okay. Ayun, nakita niyo yun? Underturn natin. So, eto yan, diba? Meron tayong, this is overturn. Tapos nag-underturn tayo. Isa pa, ituloy natin tong word na to, minimum. Okay, letter N na tayo. So, fake down stroke. Tapos, overturn tayo. Ayan. Then, underturn ulit tayo. Ayun, di ba? Ito ngayon. Isa pa. M. Okay. Ayun, medyo nagkamali tayo doon. Pero, pwede natin gawin ay mag-practice pa. Okay. Minimum. Alright. Ngayon, practicein mo ng practicein yung word na minimum at saka yung underturn stroke. Ayun, so, eto na yung underturn stroke. Practice lang. Kahit na anong papel yan, kahit sa lumang notebook yan, mag-practice ka. Always remember lang na keep practicing because practice makes perfect, perfect makes permanent. So keep on practicing, keep writing,